I'll be taking you over the steps how you can transfer money internationally with PayPal. You want to ensure that you select the home screen, right? Then where you see send money internationally, you have the option to send to a bank account, a cash pickup location, or a mobile wallet. So for this example, we're going to be using cash pickup. From the drop down, select the country that you're sending money to. So let's say Jamaica. Specify how much money you're sending. Let's say $20. You have the option to send directly to a bank account or cash pickup. Now the difference is the exchange rate. So if you notice, for cash pickup here it's 110 and for bank deposit it's 111, right? So here I'm just going to use cash pickup for demonstration purposes, then select next. So depending on where you're sending money to, the cash pickup locations will be different. So here I'm going to select next to continue with Victoria Mutual. Here you're going to provide the recipient's information, then select next. Then here you're going to add a payment method. You can send from your bank account, from a debit card or credit card. So here you're going to select your payment method. I'll be going with a debit card. Then select next. Once you have successfully added your payment method, you'll be landed on the screen to review and send. Once you're satisfied, go ahead and select send and your money will be on its way. Now I do not want to send any money at this point in time. I just wanted to share with you how you could achieve this. So that's it for now guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.